You know what? Let's just pull out our crystal ball, because I think we're gonna do another price prediction. This time, we're gonna talk about Algorand. Yes, something new on this channel, but also something very familiar for you, right? So let's keep it short and sweet. ALGO is the name of the game. We are doing price prediction for 2021 and possibly beyond. But before that, let's take a look at the overall crypto market, what is happening in top coins, and maybe throw an eye on our fear and greed index to see where you stand with your emotions. And now, roar! Do you want to test your intelligence? If that is the case, below the video you will find a red button that says subscribe on it. They say that if you are highly intelligent, when you click on it, it loses the red color. It becomes gray. Why don't you check that out? Try it and let me know how it works. Also, if you want to support this video, just click the like button. It helps tremendously. If you want to further support the channel, you can tip the dinosaur for where and how, check out the description. And if you don't want to listen to any of this rambling, just enjoy the video. In the top coin price movement in the last 24 hours, we are in a kind of a consolidating stage. Everything in range, positive range, the green range, between the 0 and 5% to the upside. Coins are resting. The only one that is standing out is the king of altcoins, Ethereum, 8.59% to the upside, standing at $1,432. If you are interested in Ethereum, check out one of our videos that is popping up right now. Let's keep the pace going. The next thing I want to show you is our fear and greed index of your emotions. Let's head to that chart. A very interesting thing happened the other day. You know that we broke the structure of our extreme greed territory, and we lived in this structure for months. So from the November of the last year till a few days ago, we broke out of the extreme greed territory, and you became just one day you became fearful. Now we are back in the greed. This is a good thing. Do I think this is the end of your fears? No, I think more fear will come in the next few days. Or maybe weeks, we'll see about that. But this is extremely healthy to cool off from those extreme greed territories. And for now, let's be grateful for that one day of your fear. Remember, things can go up indefinitely. If you are always extremely greedy, bad things will come. Now that we're cool off, now that you experienced fear, if just for this one day, this is a good for an overall trend of the crypto. We'll see how this is going into the future, and will we now bounce from these levels? Will this now become our resistance of emotions? Let's keep an eye on this chart, and now let's go to see what is happening with the Algorand and make that price prediction for 2021, right? The weekly chart of Algorand is our playground, so every candle that you're seeing on the screen is 1 week. Let's start off by commenting that, well, poor Algorand was born in the bear market in the summer of 2019. Right after it's born, it dumped really hard, from above $3 in the few weeks to below 20 cents. A big dump. Although I don't like to take into consideration the day of birth and all of this move of any coin as to Algorand. Today, for our price prediction and technical analysis, since practically we don't have enormous data we will use this move to the downside. Now, from the naked eye perspective, we can say that from this point, from the March of this year, when this low was established, Algorand started a change, a shift of the trends. After it's made its high, that was higher than this one, the shift changed. And here it confirmed that change trend by making a higher low than this one, okay? Now for the Algorand to remain in this upward trajectory, I would say that somewhere in this region, we just need to establish a higher high than this one. For example, like this. By doing that, we are establishing an uptrend and the market structure, okay? This would be pretty healthy for Algorand just to surpass this August highs of last year. Now Algorand still hasn't done it some big moves and is still waiting and moving pretty quietly. As I said, first of all, I would like to see a surpass of this August highs because this was a half a year ago. So I would be a little, let's say, comfortable if we surpass this highs of August. For now, Algorand has decided to move in this upward sloping channel, something like this. You can see that here it was resisted and here also. At the same token, here it found great support and also here last year. So this is a big scale Algorand channel that he is currently floating in. Will it remain? Or possibly it will. And when we come to this line of resistance, by the logic and the probability, we can find and expect some points of resistance again, like in the previous two times. But I would like to point out to you that when the altcoin season, the real altcoin season come, in my opinion, this channel will be broken to the upside. The momentum will be overbearing and the channel will not be able to sustain it. So in the next few weeks probably, when the altcoin season ignite, don't just expect this upper line to be touched, although this is a great accomplishment also, but expect even bigger things, a breaking out of this upward channel to even more upward targets. Okay, now this could be accomplished by playing out one huge chart pattern that I'm seeing right now. I'm wondering if you are seeing it also. Let's use the first ever point in the Algorand chart. This low, this high, this low, the high of August of last year, this low a few months back. Can you see what I'm getting at? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about inverse head and shoulders. Let me know if you're agreeing with me or if you are disagreeing with me. Smash that like button if you are agreeing with me, if you are seeing what I'm seeing. This is the road to our all-time highs in Algorand. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. It is tilted to one side, but nonetheless, for me, this is a head and shoulders. A pretty bullish pattern since it's inverse. So once we reach to that resistance of that channel that we talked about, in here, that could propel us to the sky, even, as we said, higher. But okay, this is the road to all-time highs. What is after that? What is that price prediction? This inverse head and shoulders is only predicting us run to $3.3. What is beyond that level? Well, for that answers, we will use a Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's combine this high from the inception of Algorand and the low, the ultimate low, and let's put them together. What did we get? We get Fibonacci levels, but those we are not interested in because those are the levels on our road to all-time highs. I told you that I will get you price prediction levels beyond our all-time highs for this year, and here they are. Just scroll it down like this and we will get our levels, and these are the levels that we are talking about. Right now, I am telling you that Algorand this year could go beyond $13. Yes, you heard it right. $13.60. You are seeing it on the screen, and I know that right now we are somewhere around 60 cents, and I'm telling you that in the same year Algorand could go all the way to $13.60. That might be crazy for you, or super bullish, or full of hopium. No, the charts are showing me this. Of course, at any time, I could be completely wrong. For now, I will stick to this prediction of beyond $13. Remember, altcoins in the altcoin season tend to outperform any prediction and any forecast that you could think of. This season is going to be huge. Don't miss out. Don't stand on the sidelines. The road will not be easy, and it will not be in a 1 week. We will have to suppress 161.8, 261.8, 361.8 to get to this 423.6 that I just showed you. But the picture is telling the 1,000 words. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, smash a like if you did like the video, and also check out one of these videos that I'm showing it to you right now. Here you can find also some interesting facts and price prediction that will help you in your investing in trading career. And now, adios from the moon.